Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Audible membership through Amazon. So if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And let's get into it. Basically, I've logged into my Amazon account on my computer, and you go up here to this section and then click on your account. From there, scroll down until you find memberships and subscriptions, and then click on memberships and subscriptions. That's going to load this page, and then what we need to do is go to Audible settings and then scroll down until you find membership options and help, and you can press cancel membership, and it's going to redirect you to this page right here on audible.com where it asks you if you actually want to pause your membership, and you can do that for 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. No thanks. And to actually continue the cancellation, you have to come down here, press this orange button, continue cancelling, and then from there it asks you for a reason. I'll just say I don't use it enough, then press continue cancelling, go through all of the steps. And as a last resort, Audible is going to basically throw some different offers at you to try and keep your money coming into their business. So the first one is 50% off Premium Plus. Instead of $7.99, it'll be $3.99. You can select that option. You can pause it again. You can actually get a free token, a free listen right here. But if you want to continue cancelling, then just press this button here and follow all of the steps. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.